Good morning, students. In our today's class, we are going to discuss another topic from this chapter, and that is a reactivity of the group 15 elements towards the halogens. So, topic is reactivity of group 15 elements towards halogens. Halogen means elements of the group number 17. So what reactivity they have? Group 15 elements has two type of halides. They have two type of halides. First, trihalide, and second, pentahalide. Trihalide and pentahalide. So, trihalides of group 15. First, we have a tabular from trihalides EX3, that is EX3 of group 15 elements. Trihalides of group 15 elements. What kind of trihalides we have there? You know that E is element after we have the halogens in chlorine, bromine and iodine. Generally we have this bromine and iodine. So these halogens we have there, and the elements we have nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuthine. These elements we have. That is the chlorine, that is the bromine, and that is the iodine. When the reactions among them takes place, what we have there? Nitrogen react with fluorine, that is NH3 will move there. Trihalides, they are trihalides. PF3, AsF3, antimony F3, Bi F3. In this chlorine case, what we have? That is trichlorides, NF3, PCl3, AsCl3, SbCl3, BiCl3. In case of this bromine, we have NBr3, PBr3, AsBr3, SbBr3, BiBr3. In case of iodine, what condition we have? We have Ni3, Pi3, AsI3, SbI3, and last BiI3. So these kind of trihalides are formed by these given elements of group number 15. These kind of trihalides which we have from these elements of group number 15. Now other type of halides, pentahalides. Just see pentahalides from group number 15 elements. Pentahalides, just see pentahalides. Pentahalides means EX5 type of halides, in which 5 halogens are attached there on this same table. We have there, it is the element after, that is fluorine, that is F, fluorine, that is Cl, bromine, that is Br, iodine, that is I. So these are the elements which are presented there. Now what we have in this case: nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. These are the elements which we have there. Nitrogen does not form its pentahalide due to the absence of d orbital, and other compounds like PF5, PCl5, PBr5 will form, Pi5 will not form, As, arsenic, AsF5, AsCl5 will form, they will not form. Antimony, pentafluoride and antimony pentachloride will form, but they will not form. In case of bismuth, these products will not form there. So these are the pentahalides which are formed there. We see in the table that these are the general trihalides and pentahalides formed by these compounds. Now we have to discuss the properties of these halides formed by the elements of group number 15. In this case, what condition we have? First we have the trihalides. What kind of structures? Detail of the trihalides. So detail of trihalides. In this detail, we know that general formula is EX3, and some general examples we know. Ammonia is the simple trihalide. We have the general examples of this like PF3, PCl3, PBr3, Pi3. sp3 hybridization is present in generally when we have the diagram. Lone pair is present there. One hydrogen atom is present in the one fluorine atom is present in this condition. Another is there and another present in this condition. So this kind of structure is present in 96.3 degree bond angle. sp3 hybridization present on this particular central atom in this case of this type of halides. One or lone pair is present there on the central atom of these halides. When we discuss the pentahalides, what kind of structure of these pentahalides? They have trigonal bipyramidal structure there. That is a trigonal bipyramidal structure of these pentahalides. Trigonal bipyramidal structure in a pentahalide, but in trihalide they are present normal pyramidal structure in trihalides. pyramidal structure in trihalides. So that is the general information general about the structure which we have. We will continue with the properties of these halides in next video. Thank you.